So let's look at the second question. Find numbers with even number of digits. According to the description, it gives us an array. The name is names, and it's a list, and the element inside it is integer, and it will return how many of them contain an even number of digits. What does this mean? We can read the first example. The first example input names, and there were 5 elements inside, but it expects us output 2. Why? Let's read the explanation. The 12 contain 2 digits. Oh, it have 2 digits, contain 2 digits. And the even number of digits, because 2 is an even number of digits, right? And the 3, 4, 5 is a 3 digit. It's all, and this is 1 digit, 1 digit. And 7, 8, 9, 6 is a 4 digit. It's an even number of digits. So therefore, the only 12 and 7, 8, 9, 6 contain an even number of digits. And the second example, it includes these 4 numbers, the 4 elements, and 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Only this one is 4 digits, so it output 1. Yeah, only 1771 contain the even number of digits, right? Oh, got it. And constraints. The length of lambs is a greater or equal to 1, less than or equal to 500, and the element inside it is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 10 to the power of 5. Okay, let's start it. So let's start it. I will choose this 5 element, this input data, and it has 5 elements, right? And I can random pick one of them. I will choose 4, index 4, so it will print out the 5th numbers, right? And we need to calculate its length. The length of it. Oh, we can, because it showed a type error. So we need to turn it to a string. We need to turn it to a string. After we turn it to a string, it becomes string now. And I can calculate its length. And the length is 4 because it is 4 digits, right? And if 4 digits is even, right? We can, how do we know it is an even number? We can use a modulus operator, and after it divided by 2, the remainder is 0, right? The remainder is 0. Whether the remainder is 0, yes, it is true. So we finish the half of them. So this one can be if statement. We can only we can finish them. Let's finish them. So we have to use a for loop to loop the what inside the array. Let me set an x for x in this array, right? Let's see. Oh, it is a generator, so we need to turn it to a list. Yeah, list. It show every element. It inside the for loop. It print out every element. So we need to fill it out by if statement and turn this into x. So this is element inside here, right? X. We use x to replace it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we got it. There are 2 numbers. It is an even number, but we need to the number. Know how much is it? It's 2, right? So the same, we use a length. Oh, it is 2. So we get it. We need to use a return to return what we get it. This we get it, and we need to turn this into names. This is the names. We just use example, right? So after we get this return, I need to use define and find number and self parameters and names. The index is it a list. Name is names, and what inside it is index inside the list, and it return an integer and index and wait a minute and indentation, and this is inside a class solution. Indentation again, and we can try it, right? Print solution dot find numbers, and we get the numbers. It is right. There we go. It's 2, right? And we try another. It is 1. Oh, that's great. We done again.